Hi, welcome to a2znowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss implicit parameters in Scala. So what is implicit parameters? So parameter is something we used to define and pass for the methods, the functions, right? So in Scala, when you create a function, you used to define a parameter, the number of arguments that needs to be get passed, and then it will be used when we call that function, right? So I'm just want to create a method for multiplication of two digits. So I have two arguments, x of int and y of int, and then the logic is x into y. Now, when I invoke this method multiply, I have to pass two arguments. So I'm passing this explicitly, right? I'm not doing it in implicitly. I'm just passing 3 and 10 explicitly. Now, imagine if I'm not giving this 10, I will be getting an error. The reason is this multiply function will accept two argument, right? So here, instead, what I'm doing here is I'm just passing only one argument. So that's the reason we are getting the error. Now here comes the implicit logic, the concept to overcome this particular problem. Now you can see here I'm using a keyword implicit while defining y. Okay, so after specifying this implement still means it won't fix this issue just by defining the variable as implicit, but we have to use it. Now if you see here, I have something which is commented. I will just remove it. So here I'm just creating an implicit val is it in 10. So that means if whenever I'm not, so you can see automatically the error has been gone. So I'm see you have an error here. And now if I remove it, the error is not there. The reason is, so when this implicit has a value, whatever the value that you give, which comes in the scope of the code. So whenever there is only one argument, and since the y is already defined with implicit, the compiler will internally check is there any declaration that exists for the implicit keyword. Yes, we have here. So 10 automatically when you run this, it will take 3 into 10, and then the next again I'm invoking multiply with 4 into 3. Now this 3 will give the priority. It won't take 10. So when I run this code, you can see I'll be getting output as 30, 3 into 10, and then 4 into 3, 12. Now, if I give some number here, just I'm giving a number. Now, it gives priority for the second argument, which I have given 3. It will not take 10. So when the user tries to get, when the user tries to invoke this multiply function, it's not mandatory for them to pass both the arguments. Just imagine there is a case where only the first digit will get changed and the second digit is not going to change. But it's up to the user. They can give two digits if they want, or they can also give one digit. Then there is another digit which I am implicitly defined in the code rather than passing it explicitly. So this is just a multiplication function. So you will think why when I'm going to use such things and all, but when it comes to strings or any other um, deeper or complex logics and algorithms, this implicit parameters are very highly useful actually. So in this video I just wanted to explain you what this implicit and how to use it. Now imagine I'm trying to give one more definition or the declaration for this implicit with a different implicit variable name. So this eject is implicit variable name, so I'm giving it as eject1. So you will be getting an error when there is no two arguments passed to the function when you invoke. So this is something called ambiguity. So it's not allowed. Only one time you can specify this implicit, you can declare the value for the implicit only once, and that too beginning of the code. So that comes within the scope of the code for the variables. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to explain you what is implicit parameters. So similar to implicit parameters, we have two more concepts and implicits. I will be teaching you in my upcoming Scala video. So thanks for watching a2znowledge.com. You can find the complete Scala playlist link in the description box. If you click that, you can see all the Scala videos in my channel, and I have given my LinkedIn and Instagram URL in the description box. If you want to contact me, you can use those channels, and please do subscribe my channel. We provide a lot of tech videos, not only Scala. We have a lot of other technology videos as well in two languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching a2znowledge.com.